Hey guys, I wanted to take a few minutes to make sure you knew exactly how to do this assignment using your computer. In the classes, we're actually drawing and creating, and that's an option, and I'll give you that option, and then you could take a picture of it if you wanted to, but I wanted to show you the digital option, okay? So when you go to your social studies class, you are going to see this on your screen, okay? It says you're starting a project, you need to do these things. There will be a picture file, your rubric file, and then this video will actually be linked onto your assignment. So the first thing it tells you to do is download the picture file. So this is the picture file, and you're going to click on it, and it is sideways right now, but we'll fix that. And you're going to click download the image. And then if you see over here, it downloads right there in that corner. So now the next thing we're going to do is you would download the rubric. You need that because it's going to explain exactly what you need to do. I'm going to kind of give you some hints and tell you a few things first, okay? So pretend we've downloaded all the things and now you've watched the video. So here we go. We are going to minimize our computer screen, or that screen rather. We are going to go into our Finder, okay? This is called our File Explorer or Finder. And if you click there, it's going to get us to our downloaded files. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for that download file. And there it is, Georgia Map Project, okay? So once we find that, you will double click it. And it's going to open up in your photos. Okay, that's pretty awesome because this is where we're going to start playing with this map. So it's sideways. We said that wasn't the way we needed it. So you can actually rotate your picture. I'm going to click it once and it turns it upside down. That's not going to help me because I don't read really well upside down. Then we're going to flip it again. It's only going in 45 degrees each time, or 90 degrees, I'm sorry. So now it's straight. Yay! This is the way we want to keep it. Okay, so here it is straight. And then we're going to click down here. Anytime you don't know exactly what something does, if you hover over it and just kind of leave, but my hands are up here, I just put my cursor there. It's going to hover and tell me what that meant. So if I hover, it tells me, hey, if you click this, it's going to put it full screen. And that's what I want. I think you lost my little face. So it's going to put it full screen. And what we're going to do is we're going to use this blank map of Georgia and show all of the things here that are listed on this picture. Now, if you push your cursor up to the very top, you get a couple of options, one of which is edit and create. Guys, one of the greatest things that we have here is we have our computers are touchscreen. Yay. You have a lot of options. Okay, stickers, Paint 3D. Feel free to play with all of those things. Easy thing to do is use the draw technique. Okay, when you draw, you get a marker or a pen, a pencil, or a calligraphy pen. I'm going to just start with the ballpoint pen, okay? And if one of these things it asked me to draw or to identify, if it were to ask me to identify Cartersville, okay? Cartersville is not listed down here in my cities, but let's pretend like it was. I may use a bright, it's Cartersville, right? So I might use a bright green color, and I'm going to scroll right up here, and I'm going to go right about here, and I'm going to I just clicked my mouse. It made a dot. So down here, if it were on my map key, I could put that dot beside the word Cartersville, so that's my map key, and it shows, hey, that green dot means this. Okay? If it asked me for Lake Allatoona, maybe I want Lake Allatoona. It doesn't, but that would be a physical feature. And I could say, okay, and I don't really know what Lake Allatoona, All right, I didn't mean to do that. So I can erase it. I'm going to click the eraser. I'm going to click that color I didn't mean to do. And it went away. Now, I'm going to use my finger on the screen. And I could do some drawing. And that's horrible, but pretend. And then down here on my picture, or on my map, I would put that blue color and I'd say, hey, this means that this place is Lake Allatoona. Now, guys, you may choose to do 3 different maps. One that shows the cities, one that shows the physical features, one that shows the regions. Whatever you choose to do, however you choose to do that, you have to create a map, though, that includes all 15 of these items, okay? When you're finished, you're happy with your map, you're going to click the Save, and it says, it's okay. What do you want this to be? You're going to name it. So this could be Inked, Georgia, you don't have to do that, Inked, Georgia Magic Project, Map Project, and then I'm going to just put my last name. That's a good way to choose to do that. It's saving it, and so it says, hey, where are you saving this? You want to make sure you know where it's being saved so that you can submit it in a few minutes. And this one's being saved in the pictures. You click save. And then we can close out of here. Your map is saved. You can jump back into Schoology and then go down to the assignment that will be there, and you just upload your assignment. And so there you've completed your map. Guys, do as much as you want to. Let's make this as creative, as pretty as you want to. One of the things you can do, I'm just downloading it again, or opening it again. One of the things you can do is using 2 fingers. If you scroll in, okay, so you need to put you need a lot of room. You can actually just spread your fingers and it makes it bigger, and now you can draw on it. Oh, I messed it up. All right. Well, it didn't work that way, but you can draw as you need to. Guys, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask Miss Jenkins. You can email me through Schoology, and I'm happy to help. You can email Coach Cowart, but I'm happy to help and want to make this as easy and as great as all I can do it for you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.